How to log out to your Instagram account from all devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you how you can log out of Instagram account from all devices. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to log out of Instagram account from all devices, you have to go ahead and then open up the Instagram app and then come to your profile page from the bottom right. Tap on the three lines on the top right, go to settings. Once you go to settings, you can go to security. One of the first ways to remove everyone from your Instagram account is to simply change your password. When you change your password by entering your current password and re-entering the new password, everyone who are currently logged into your Instagram account will be automatically signed out and logged out or removed from your Instagram account. But if that is not an option for you, then you can also log out the other way, that is to go to login activity. Once you go to login activity, here you'll be able to see all of the devices along with the location from where they're currently logged in. So if you don't recognize either of these, tap on the three dots next to that specific device and tap on the option called logout. It will also show you a date when it was actually logged into your account. Now you can just go ahead and remove all these devices manually if you do not actually remember them as well. But keep in mind that if they have access to your password and you not change your password, they'll be able to log in back again. Hope this video helped you as to how you can go ahead and then log out of all your Instagram account at once. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.